to order the proposed project for contract ID number 26JA0041, 26JA0042, 26JA0043, and 26JA044. So, Doc Secretariat, please read project title.
Mr. Chair, for contract ID 26J0041, CPAG, access roads and or bridges from the national roads connecting to indigenous people and communities. Reconstruction to concrete pavement Barangay Daratuan, Puruan, Zamboanga City, Station 0+043.5 to Station 1+040.5. ABC 42,110,112.77. For contract ID 26JA0042, CPAG, access roads and or bridges from the national roads connecting to indigenous people, communities. Construction of Barangay Tibian, Upper Bungyao, Barangay Bungyao Road, Zamboanga City, Station 0+000 to Station 0+900. ABC 40,433 and 790.11. Contract ID 26J0043, CPAG, access roads and or bridges from national roads connecting to indigenous people, communities. Reconstruction to concrete pavement, Barangay Tibian, Upper Bungyao, Zamboanga City, Station 0+850 to Station 2+250. ABC 30,428,073 and 83 cents. For contract ID 26J0044, CPAG, access roads and or bridges from the national roads connecting to indigenous people, communities. Reconstruction to concrete pavement, Barangay Mercedes, Zamboanga City, Station 0+000 to Station 0+950. Contract ID, contract, approved budget of contract 19,931,129.69. This activity is being conducted pursuant to the provisions of RA 12009 and its implementing rules and regulations to ensure that all procurement documents, technical specifications, cost estimates, and bidding procedures are in order prior to the advertisement and conduct of the bidding process.
May I request the following members to acknowledge their presence? Our BAC Chairperson, Engineer Cornelio A. Lantay Jr., present. Our BAC Vice Chairman, Engineer Antonio A. Peñaflor Jr., present. Our regular member, Ms. Vilma Francisco, present. Our provisional member for all types, Engineer Mary May Bololado, present. Our Head TWG, Engineer Rex Angelo Fernandez, not around. TWG members, Engineer Joel Perla. Okay, sorry. The Head Technical Working Group, Engineer Joel Perla, present. Members the following: Engineer Agang, present. Engineer Mary Jane Santa Teresa, present. Our Head BAC Secretariat, Engineer Leo L. Dalcontas. Secretariat members, Engineer Eldan, not around. Okay, yours truly. So, okay. Sir, Mr. Chair, the quorum is present.
The presentation of project, as mentioned earlier, will be advertised today, July 10, 2026. The pre-bid will be on July 20, 2026, and the opening of bids on July 31, 2026. The procurement will be conducted through competitive bidding in accordance with RA 12009. The proposed procurement schedule includes the posting of the invitation to bid through the MPhil JEPS, the DPWH website, and other conspicuous places. May we request the planning and design section to present the technical requirements and scope of the project, please.
So, for the project 26JA0041, I will discuss the construction of the road. This road is a existing road and has to be removed and replaced. So, the length of the road is 1 kilometer, and the proposed width was 6.1, with a thickness of 280, and the concrete shoulder proposed of 1 meter width and a 0.15 thickness. So this section is existing, so wala tayo problema dito sa right-of-way acquisition. At the same time, meron pa kami na-propose na street light, and then the line canal, and also the road slope protection for the sections. So purely, ang major item po natin dito is reconstruction of concrete pavement, remove and replace for this projects. So for the next project, for the next project is 26JA0042, construction of Barangay Dulian, Barangay Dulian, Upper Bunyaw to Barangay Bunyaw Road, Zamboanga City, Station 00 to Station 900. So the proposed then is the 900 linear meter. So this section is a gravel road, so construction tayo ng bagong road. And at the same time, wala tayong problema sa right of way, so existing gravel road siya identified by the barangay. And the details of the road is the carriageway width is 5 meter with a thickness of 230, and also the road shoulder is 1 meter width, and the thickness is 0.15. Meron kami na-propose na line canal sa side, and same time the store protection. So, okay itong road section kasi halos wala tayong obstruction sa mga property. So, ito ay located sa Barangay Upper Bunyaw. And then, so, for the provision of the item, meron pa kami dito nilagay na provision for furniture and equipment appliances. So, may kasama itong laptop and printers. And meron kami nalagay na provision of staff, assistant to the engineer, and provision of 4x4 pick-up service, and lastly, provision of maintenance operation for the service vehicle. So itong tatlong item to, pwede mag-purchase tayo ng new service vehicle. Pero dito nilagay namin is rental basis lang. Pero pwede tayo sabihin sa mga kung sino ito proceed bidder na itong item tatlo to, pwede natin mag-purchase as new. Kasi hindi na ano nito usually. Kaya pag yung item na lang po rental vehicle, hindi talaga ma-purchase yung amount. Kasi malaki, pataba yung makpan talaga. Mahal yung presyo niya. So yun ang po namin dito sa mga mga provision. So, next project. For the project na 26JA0043, reconstruction to concrete pavement, Barangay Dulian, Upper Bungyao, Zamboanga City Station 0 plus 850 to Station 2 plus 250. So itong location is nasa Sitio Iligna. Itong project natin proposal. So main of the scope work is pa rin remove and replace. Existing road pa rin ito. So remove replace pa rin natin. I-upgrade natin yung mga pavement. At the same time, nag-propose kami ng focus shoulder kasi itong segment na ito is steep. Kung talaga yung mga grade line niya nasa 18%. So naglagay kami ng line canal, at the same time and sa protection. So regarding sa provision, ito lang dito provision is the operation maintenance for the vehicle lang. So purely operation siya. At the same time, meron kami na-introduce na provision for equipment, appliances for the field office engineer. So meron pa rin ito ng laptop and the printers. So lastly, last batch is 26JA0044. Reconstruction to concrete pavement, Barangay Mercedes, Zamboanga City, Station 00 and Station 950. This project is located going tayo sa Camp Abendan. Itong road section nito ang ipropose. So, existing road pa rin, kung natin ito, so remove and replace. I-upgrade natin yung mga yung pavement pa rin, is 5 meters width, and the thickness is 280. Meron pa rin kami dito na-introduce ng sidewalk pa rin, nilagay namin with the line canal and also the slope protection. So main activity natin dito is remove and replace the old ones. Regarding sa right of way, wala tayong problema, isisin pa rin ang kung natin proposal.
So, for the record lang, wala kang problema.
Wala problema.
All
Yes.
the
Yes, all project presented is all existing road. Meron mo sa existing program, pero existing road pa rin siya. Hindi yung newly opening. So that's all, Mr. Chair, the proposed project.
this project in Mercedes,
Yes.
is it inside the Mercedes?
Then yung going to Camp Abenda road, yes. Ito na siya na yung national highway going to Camp Abenda. Yes. One way kayo. One way.
They're the same, no? The width is 5 meters.
Yes.
The thickness ni Suyo is
80.
280 kay entra ti mga 6x6 di lang mga heavy equipment namin
Pata mga roads is pata mga major roads na consider as kanya na man-made dyan na standard dyan na 280. Kung na dyan is Teres Wavy dyan lang. Kaya hindi kaya ang existing lang kailangan niya kaya existing road is 5 meters, ang nanda siyempre kami man introduce 5 meters.
todo si tiene facilities no for engineers
Si
todo
Yes.
As you mentioned, may laptop tayo sa 3 projects. How about this project, the last project?
Yung last project, yung last project sa Mercedes, no? Walang tayo operation maintenance lang.
Service, vehicle.
Vehicle, purely fuel and lubricants. Pero may pa lang introduce dito, no? But the provision of the features and equipment appliances, may kasama ito talaga ng laptop and vehicle.
How about the quad? Is there any project, problem regarding utilities? Okay.
Anway, Mr. Anway,
Sa mga
ako mga public utilities like
Yes.
electric post no ay problema.
pipeline, water pipeline.
Water pipeline no ay kay usually remove and replace naman sa Mr. Chair. Uno Bunyaw, Barangay Bunyaw, Uno Upper Dulya, Barangay Dulyan, Upper Bunyaw. One time, Mr. Chair, this other project, yan request tayo for implementing upon request for change of IO. Ito na yung sa mga 13 projects, kasali siya.
Part of the project. Last, no? So, state of the
Diba? Provision for staff engineer, operation maintenance for the vehicle, and rental basis for the vehicle. Naman, sa mga service vehicles usually nasa pick up depende sa kung usually sa mga 1.8 WCU. Hindi mo siya or equivalent sa amount niya lang. So, di ba?
Thank you for the good presentation. May I ask the ABAC members if there are any comments? Emma? discuss? If there are no comments, may we have the motion to approve for the procurement documents and authorize back secretary to proceed with the posting of invitation to bid.
I move that this pre-procurement meeting shall, of these contracts as mentioned, to proceed on procurement process. I second the motion also.
Okay, motion seconded, so there being no other matters to discuss, then this pre-procurement conference is there being no objections to the motion, it's hereby approved. So,
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
since there being no matters to discuss, pre-procurement conference is adjourned.